Hi everyone and welcome to Sea Spots Farm. My name is Tammy and this is a cool Friday on the farm. We live in North Carolina, so we have mild winters and hot summers, and I thought I'd give you a little show around this morning. So it's cold enough that everything froze. Excuse me, got a little cough. So I set the waters outside to melt. And we have our beautiful pigeons. These pigeons, you'll notice, have, oh, you're all right, curly feathers. These are called frillbacks. And we have these. And we have the little red ones all up there. Those are Portuguese tumblers. And that's our loft. It's a converted pump house. It was actually like leaning over when we first moved here. It was one of the three main buildings that was here when we moved on the farm many years ago, and it was repurposed as a pigeon loft, and it works well. And then we have this run, which is actually empty. This is for my Indio laughing chickens. They're out and about at the moment. I think they're over there. Yes, we will go visit them over here. Oh, there's one of the hens. And they're called laughing chickens because instead of crowing, it sounds like a laugh. Hi, Jojo. How we doing, buddy? You and your girls just hanging out? Yeah? Just love this sunshine. He knows I hate shed. And this is our, what we call the chicken yard. We have that big old fig in the middle. Has great figs in the summer. And these are what I call Mr. White's group. And that's Mr. White watching over his girls. And these are silkied Seramas. Seramas are one of the smallest chickens. They're also called teacup chickens. And I specialize in the silkied feathering, so it looks like fur instead of regular feathers. And we'll see if we can do a close-up. There we are. And that's Mr. White enjoying the sun. Mr. White is 10 years old. Yeah, you can see his extra long spurs there. But he's 10, and this line is long-lived. That's one of his sons right there. It's very, very similar to him. And he's got his little group of hens. And then I built these when we moved in, because although there were big buildings here, the little barns, there was nothing to house poultry, really. So I built these. They've worked great. And in our first one here, this is what I call the girls' club. We have bachelor groups and we have the girls' club. This is where all the girls are hanging out. Oh, they're all hiding. Hi, babies. We've got a silky Cochin hen there in the middle and a frizzle right next to her. And we've got some Bantam Cochin girls over there. And as you can see, everybody's molting. But we hang I had it set up so that the feeder hangs there and the water hangs there. There's no water in there because it's out being thawed. Hi, gorgeous. I love this little silky Cochin, but I made it so that these are Dutch doors. They open independently, and I put a little latch here that keeps them together when they open. But back to what I was saying. I put the feed in the water there so that I can reach in and grab them. I don't even need to go in. I can grab them. Hi, babies. Here they all come. I'm going to see what else I got to throw in there. Hi, girls. Yeah. Oh, and there's one of my, that's November, there by the coop. She is a Silky Sarama, and she's one of those that came from Massachusetts with us when we moved 6 years ago. And then this is one of our boys' clubs. We have many boys' clubs. Since we sell hens only, a lot of breeders will not sell just hens. They have to be paired with a rooster, but we do sell just hens. Leaves us with a lot of extra boys. And this is some of them. They're just hanging out. And we have lots of silky. We have some smooths, like that guy. And like this guy. And I'm watching them very carefully because they do not have a heat source here. And these are flow-through coops. You can see they're all open. Except for the bottom 3 feet. I did put up wood all the way around. But these boys have been out. It's got down to 20 last night. And they're doing good. Not all Saramas can stay outside. In fact, not very few of them can. Especially if they're small. Like this guy here, he looks a little uncomfortable. So I'm going to be bringing him in. And that's what I do, is I just bring them in if they look like they can't tolerate the weather. Excuse me. This is another of our bachelor groups. These are the bigger boys. These are Cochins mostly, or Cochin crosses. I have one Indio boy. Actually, that is Robin Williams. He is a A.M. Ketawa laughing chicken. And then we've got our Cochin Cross boys. And most of these boys are available for adoption, by the way. Yeah, so lots of those. It's become popular that if you've got laying hens, to get a smaller rooster, just to kind of help keep an eye out when the girls are free ranging. And some are small enough they can't really breed the hens, so you're not getting fertilized eggs. But this is another one of our smaller bachelor groups, just getting them together. Saramas, and this is how we introduce new birds. We have a cage right smack in the middle of the run, and they can get to know each other without actually being able to touch each other. So, and then we have our Seabrights. These are our silver Seabrights. I know, they're shy. They're hiding on us today. But I like to use these kind of waterers where they have the little cup in them, and it fills a 5-gallon bucket, and it just continually keeps it filled, the little cup, except for today when it's frozen. Oh, there they are. There they are, the Seabrights. Silver Seabrights. We offer eggs in the spring for silver Seabrights. We actually offer Sarama eggs year round. And this is Lucky's group of laughing chickens. This is our corner coop. And you can see the Indio influence in the golden colored hens back there. And they're a little taller. Stand up a little taller. And it would be nice to get a laugh, but we're probably not going to get it. Huh, buddy? You want to laugh? No? Okay. Yeah, you guys just hang there. They usually free range, but they have not been coming in at night, which I don't like. So, I'm going to coop them for a while and see if that helps to get them to come in at night. This is another one of our bachelor groups. This is the littler ones.